If you need to find and copy your LinkedIn profile link, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. Whether you want to share your profile with recruiters, add it to your resume, or paste it into emails and social profiles, knowing where to find your LinkedIn URL is really useful. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open LinkedIn and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top left corner and click your profile picture or the profile option there. This takes you to your LinkedIn profile page. From here, look on the right side of the page and click Edit Public Profile in URL. This is the section where LinkedIn lets you view and customize your public profile link. After you click that, a new page will open. In the top right corner, you'll see a section labeled Your Public Profile URL. That is your LinkedIn profile link. If you want to copy it, simply highlight the link with your mouse, then right-click and choose Copy. You can also use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer, but the right-click method is the easiest for most people. Once it's copied, you can paste it anywhere you need it, whether that's in a message, job application, portfolio, or social bio. If you ever want to share a cleaner version of the link, this is also the place where you can edit your public profile URL so it looks more professional and easier to remember. And that's it. You now know how to find and copy your LinkedIn profile link quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.